We're getting a dual print kicked off right now on this Atlas machine behind us with pellet and filament extrusion. Navi, tell us why you might want to use pellet and filament in one print.
So you will want to use pellet and filament if you were to add extreme overhangs in your main part, and you just needed like support structures that can easily be broken off or taken out, then you would use that. Or if you wanted to use, two different materials with two different capabilities, for instance, one can be rigid, the other one can be soft material, then that's another place where you can use two materials.
So you can use the pellet and the filament extruder on one part, but can you also just use them separately?
Yeah, absolutely. You can use them separately. Let's say you just wanted to run a print that was really fast. You can use a pellet extruder and just get a quick print. Or if you just wanted like a high resolution part, then you could use the filament.